What up, birds? We've got the Deep Space Seeker 3 here and the new 880mAh 4S LiHV from GNB. Are they LiHV? I don't know. I don't even know what I've charged them to. But anyway, we're going to go and fly it and find out, and I'll correct myself in a minute if I need to. Tell me when you're ready for the stick cam.
I'm on your stick cam.
Okay, so we are flying the new GNB 880mAh 4S LiHV on the Deep Space Seeker 3. One of my favourite sub 249 drones by far. And I was recommended these batteries a few weeks ago. I finally managed to be able to get a hold of some. So now we're just going to try them out. We're using the Hello Radio V4. Oh, we're using the HR V14 Max. We have had a chat with Ken over there, and he's going to send us an OLED screen to upgrade this and a clear case. So you're going to see a lot more of this HR on the channel in the coming weeks and months. It probably is my favourite controller from an ergonomic point of view. So I've dived the chimney a couple of times, I've done a power loop through the Wheel of Death. The evening sunshine is looking lovely. And we've been flying for 1 minute and 15 seconds around 3.9 volts. So, so far, so good.
I'm shaking a little bit and my arms already starting to hurt.
Oh yeah, Boy Wonder is on stick cam duties because somebody forgot a stick cam.
You?
I'm going to blame Boy Wonder, but it actually was me. So I'm trying to be a little bit more flowy with this, whilst also doing a few acro tricks at the same time.
Your phone keeps vibrating randomly.
Does it?
It just keeps going like random vibrations.
Could be messages.
But it's not popping up at the top though.
Oh, I don't know then, mate. Oh wow. What a dive, what a dive, what a dive, what a dive. Oh baby!
Oh, I saw you there!
That was probably my best chimney dive ever here. Really, really fun this. I absolutely love this drone and controller combo, I've got to be honest. If somebody said to me you can only have one drone and one controller, what would it be? I'd be hard pressed not to pick these two. These are the two I picked for a bit of fun. The Avion RC Nexa comes very, very close. And yeah, the Avion Nexa comes very close, but this is so good. The Nexa's a little bit more serious, a little bit more refined. This is just a freestyle beast. And doesn't feel like it's 3-inch. I know I've done a review of it, but any drone that I keep coming back to when I've got as many drones as I've got must be pretty damn good.
I'm guessing it feels like a 5-inch but very light.
It does, it feels like a lightweight 5-inch. But it also still feels like it's got the sort of slingability of a 5-inch as well. Like if I go through here now like this, look, and go like that.
Nice.
Like it does still feel. It does still feel like it's got the slingability of a 5-inch. It's I don't know. It seems to be big beyond its like mature beyond its years. Oh, we've got some pigeons down there. Let's go and have a chat with them. Some government-controlled drones here, otherwise known as pigeons. Just chilling. This Bando is ace. Loads of people ask me where this Bando is, and you can't get into it. So if you crash,
you lost it. Don't say that word.
They won't let you in. They are particularly, and I understand,
I mean,
but they are particularly harsh about people going in, and I completely understand why. I genuinely do. But how cool would it be, guys, to have FPV Fest or a similar event? Sorry, I don't want to steal their thunder. They've worked far too hard. But a similar event where loads of us meet up and just freestyle for a weekend here. Yeah. Like, it is an amazing, amazing place. And if they open up the bottom of this chimney as well, we could dive inside it.
And also,
so good.
Drone derby, drones versus drones.
Drones versus drones, like Destruction Derby, but with drones.
Yeah.
That wonder's crazy.
Like Demolition Derby, but with flying obstacles. No.
So I've been flying, I better come back, 3.5 volts for 4.5 minutes. So okay, I've recovered to 3.6. The biggest complaint I've ever had about the Seeker is how power hungry it is. But 3.6 volts before I land, 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
I'm going to record it land as well.
Okay, once I've landed,
I'm recording it.
Once I've landed, I will let you know what the battery recovers to. It's still on 3.6. Oh, that was an awful landing. So it's recovered to 3.67 for a total flight time of 4 minutes and 50 seconds. So virtually 5 minutes.
I'm gonna go.
And it's on 3.67, 3.68. So virtually 3.7. That is a battery I'm going to use a hell of a lot more. Peace.